another place. What? Oh, Ray! Alice, look! Safety house. Oh, that's what we need. Let's turn out. Ready! Yay! Let's go. Alice, let's make balloon party! We need a suitcase. Can you bring it, Alice?
Yes.
Oh! Not like that. Alice, can you bring another one suitcase?
Okay.
What? It's not gonna work. Can you bring another one?
Okay.
Huh? Okay. That's not what we need. I do it myself. This suitcase is big enough. Ready?
Okay.
Let's go!
Oh, yes. I see.
Thank you.
ready. Hey, right? Yay! Let's go.
Woohoo! I'm hungry.
Huh? I'm hungry too.
Idea!
It's kitchen. Smells good. Alice, you want to play?
Oh, yes. No, 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 no. Oh!
Thank you, doctor.
Oh, no!
Huh? Look, we have a tent. The rain has stopped. Cool. Teamwork is always good. Huh?
Oh, yes. Oh, no! Wow, the ball is floating!
Kids, let's check another thing. What will sink or float?
Yeah! We need more Lego! Yes!
Sink or float? Slinky toy sink.
I can dive and get it.
Thank you, Chris. Look, Alice. What about the dumbbell? It's sink or float?
Okay.
It's sink.
Yes, I have an idea.
Oh, wow! Dumbbell floats now. It's sink.
Bye bye. Let's check this car. Let's go.
Look, the car sink.
I pull it out.
Good job, Chris. And let me show something. Look, guys. Wow, look, it's float.
Oh, yes.
Let's do it. Float. Step aside. Watermelon, sink or float?
Sink.
Float. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Watermelon sink and then float.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. It's float.
Right, and then sink. Look.
Yeah.
Water ball, sink or float? Look, it's float. Oh, we have a play doh. Let's check it.
Okay. It's float. I'm right, it's float.
And now, if we throw the dough without jars,
Yeah. Oh, yes. Glue. It's in.
right, it's in, guys. Wow, it's flat. Necklace. Let's check. Sink or flat?
Sink. It's already knuckles.
What about the eyes?
I think it's float.
I think it's in. You're right, Chris. It's flat. Dinosaur is melting. And now he is sink.
Look at the dinosaur.
Okay, let's do it. Look, dinosaur without eyes. Flat. Let's open and try again. Sink.
Let's go.
Hey, it's flat.
Alice, let's try Lego. I think it's sink.
I think it's flat. It's flat.
Oh, yes. What about the house?
Let's check.
Let's go.
Yeah, right. Look, it's sink. It was so fun experiment. Yeah? High five?
It's my car. No. It's mine. Mine. Oh no. Wow. Let's go. Help me. Oh no.
This?
Huh?
No.
Okay. Wow! No. Move away! Oh, my God! What's going on? My God! Mine.
share the toys.
No, it's mine cars.
Oh, idea. Wow! Wow! It's too big. Mhm.